Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about TiviMate, what it's used for, and how it works. But before we get into it, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss any of my future content. And with that being said, let's get started. So TiviMate is an IPTV player. That means it doesn't come with any channels or content by itself. It's basically a DVD player. You still need DVDs to watch movies on it. In TiviMate's case, you need an IPTV provider or an M3U playlist to access your live TV channels. Think of it like this. TiviMate is your DVD player and your IPTV provider is like Blockbuster, providing you access to the DVDs your player needs to watch movies on it. Without Blockbuster, your DVD player doesn't have anything to play. When it comes to cost, IPTV providers will charge you anywhere from $10.99 to $35.99 monthly, and will provide you a link to their M3U playlist, giving you access to either hundreds or thousands of channels. Alternatively, you can search Google for free playlists, but those will most likely give you local, free over-the-air channels, and the service goes down very often. TiviMate is designed to be used with Android TV boxes, Chromecast with Google TV, and Fire TV, and can be found in the Play stores of each of those respective platforms. So once you get your IPTV provider or your M3U playlist, you can load it into TiviMate, and the app will display an organized list of your live TV channels. It's easy to navigate, and you get the flexibility to organize your channels however you want. Now, let's talk about TiviMate Premium. You get a lot of extra features with the premium version. The free version of TiviMate is great, but Premium really takes things to the next level. With TiviMate Premium, you unlock features like multi-screen support, so you can watch multiple channels at once. It also gives you customizable EPG, which is the Electronic Program Guide, for better viewing experience. It also gives you the ability to record live TV, so you never miss a show. And you can have multiple playlists or IPTV providers loaded at once for more variety. So if you want a more polished experience with all the bells and whistles, TiviMate Premium is definitely worth considering. Now, I know some of you are wondering, how do I find these IPTV providers or M3U playlists? I'm not going to give you the specific links, but a quick Google search should lead you to the right direction. Just search for terms like best IPTV provider or free M3U playlist. You'll find lots of options, but always be cautious. Do your research and check reviews to make sure that you're getting a good product. One thing to keep in mind is using IPTV requires a stable internet connection, and depending on where you live, the legality of these services can vary. Always make sure you're following local laws and never compromise your safety by using untrustworthy services. Speaking of safety and trustworthiness, I would recommend signing up with a good VPN before using TiviMate. I have a couple links for some very good VPNs in my description below. There you have it. You now know what TiviMate is, and you also know about the power and flexibility of its premium version. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you found this helpful, click the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe by clicking my logo at the bottom right of this video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop a new video.